Thank you.
That coat gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. Hi, Joe. Oh, this my baby. Hey, my baby. You had a good day? I got a surprise for you.
Yeah.
You gonna be really happy.
Yeah.
What do you think it is?
My toy.
Nope. Come here.
A puppy?
That's for you.
Puppy?
A puppy. Look at him.
He's sleeping.
You happy? His name is King Energy.
King Energy?
Yep. You happy about that? That's for you.
For a puppy.
Okay, come on. Let's go find the puppy out.
Wait.
He want to look at toys for himself.
Food for cats. You got cat food? You got tuna?
Look, you need to find doggy bowls and stuff.
Oh, doggy.
Let me see it.
Your blue bowl for boy.
Mm-hmm. Got a surprise for you. Back up right there. Okay. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Okay. Come on, Icy.
Hello.
Why in the world?
He's a poodle.
Yeah.
Yep.
Hey.
His name is King Energy.
I was looking for a doggy nest. I like animal spirit.
What do you got?
Come on, Isis.
Oh my God, that's your dog.
Yep, he's a poodle. His name is King Energy.
Wait. Wait, no.
Turn around, Shy.
Wait, Mom. Wait. Come on. You all been crying about this dog. You been crying about this dog.
For real.
Yes. Every time she see it on.
It's a boy. His name is King Energy. Go close by your sister, Isis.
You for real?
Yep.
You gotta be crying about that dog.
Look at my baby. His name is King Energy. A little poodle. Y'all look at his little hat.